friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so glad you're here and you're going to join me for this exciting box. This is a Jomar Wholesale unboxing and review video. This is Free People brand shoes. So let me know in the comments, have you found Free People shoes? One time in a Thredup box, I got a pair of sandals. They sold really fast, but I never find Free People shoes out. Let me see if the invoice is in here so I can tell you all about this box. If you're new to the channel, I'm so glad you found me in this video. I'm Quenby. I'm a part-time reseller. I'm a full-time psychotherapist. I have another channel called The Grateful Therapist. If you're interested in mental health stuff, come say hi over there. I've been reselling online for 10 years, mostly clothes and fashion on eBay, Poshmark, and I sell my digital stuff over on Etsy. I love Jomar boxes. I have a ton of unboxings from Jomar on the channel. If you're newer to buying wholesale boxes, I suggest you check out a bunch of those videos and then ask yourself,
hey, would this box work for me?
Would this work for me in my particular business at this price point? So then you can make a really educated decision for yourself and your business. And then if you decide to purchase, use my discount code, The Grateful Queen, all one word. I earn points with Jomar and you get a discount. So it's a win-win. Okay, this is Boho brand footwear. I don't know why they couldn't say Free People. Women's new/returns shoes, 10 pair. The cost on the box was $180, but I used a discount code. Also, you have shipping in there, and the shipping cost is going to vary depending on where you live. So they're in Philadelphia, so it depends how close you are, how big your box is. Shipping always varies. But my total came to $173.35. I'll pop up on the screen what that means each pair costs. And I gotta pull these out because I just cannot even, like, what? What are you? I don't know if it's coming across on camera, but the brightness of these is insane. They're neon pink slides. So I'll try and throw in as many keywords that I might use in a title when I'm building a listing online so that people can find my items. Let me undo this here. So these are a size 37. So what I do when it's a Euro size is I'll go to that brand's website and I'll just confirm how that converts to US so I can put it in my listing. I don't know offhand what 37 is. I think it's approximately a 7, but I'll do my research first. So these have got a little bit of wear, like I don't know if it's just shelf wear from being in the store, otherwise very clean. This is what's called a mule or a slide, where you just kind of like slide your foot in there, but look at that chunky heel, which is really, really popular in 2021. They are enormous. Oh my God. You guys, I couldn't be more excited about a box. I can't think of what other thing that I'd want to get that would be this exciting for me. Okay, look at these ones. These are so heavy. Like, these weigh a few pounds. These are what I'd call a gladiator style sandal. But what I will try and do is find stock photos, and I don't know exactly how I'll do that yet, but I'll probably just put in keywords like women's chunky platform gladiator black sandals. This pair is also a 37 and there's like no wear at all. Like those. Friends, just a friendly reminder to remind you to subscribe to the channel and turn on that little bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you. Okay, so these look like mostly sandals and things. There was a box of boots that I'm like kicking myself that I didn't get. Free People boots would have been amazing. These are super cute. They also have a tag on it. This is called the Crystal Cove sandal. Split suede trim in black and leather. There's not much to this sandal. I'm hoping none of these have damage. I don't even know how to show you these because they're unusual. Like, they're just strappy. Strappy. I love a strappy sandal. I'll often put that as a keyword in my title and description. If it's like got a lot of cool straps, I'll put strappy. So you somehow slip your foot into these and they have like a silver metallic strap there. Good, good, good. Ooh, look at these. Pointy toe flats. These are so popular. I have a pair of Madewell just like this in my store. I think I'm like a size 39. Wouldn't it be cool if there was something in here for me, but I don't know. Okay. Oh, this one has the OB number. This is the Natalia Point flat in black. And it's a very pointy-toed leather slide. What happens with this strap, though? Because it seems too big just to go around your ankle. Like, it wouldn't go like this. So I wonder, let me see.
This is going to be super awkward. I'll probably cut it out.
But I don't understand what happens with the strap. Like, I can't even show you. That'll end up in the bloopers. Yes, friends. I put my bloopers at the end of each video for you to enjoy laughing at me, with me, whatever it is. So hopefully I'll see you at the end of the video for the bloopers. I don't understand this. Oh, maybe it crosses? I'll be able to find a stock photo. Maybe it goes like that or something, but these are gorgeous. They look brand new. They've got a tag on them. There we go. I love you, free people. Okay, we've got another. I'm glad they strapped them all together. This is the Ivy root bed. Could that be right? I don't know. These are like a brown leather thong sandal. They look like this, kind of a braided leather. So if I was making a title, I would say new with, do you think it's with or without tag if it has this on there? They're clearly new. So I might put new without tag. New without tag, free people, women's sandals, size 37. And then I'll also put when I find out what the US size equivalent is. Then I'd put Ivy root bed if that's what they're called. And then I would put thong because that's what this is called when it goes between the toe there. Maybe braided brown leather. Definitely boho as a great keyword for those. Oh, it's just so many sandals. Okay. These ones are the Damien sandal in black. And these look like this. Again, a really like, go around the ankle probably. This strap here. There must be some complicated way that it goes. No, wait, these are two different sandals. Uh-oh. Look, they appear like they're similar, but they're not. They are two completely different sandals. So somebody else is going to end up with a missing. They look similar and they were elasticized together, but they're two different ones. So I'll just contact Jomar customer service because somebody else is probably looking for their other sandal. Oh, these are cute. These are the these are the La Jolla wrap sandal. I think these are all 37, which I think is a really good size if it works out to be like a size 7. Look at this. It's got like a cord. These are so boho. It has like a cord strap there. And then this long brown leather strap must wrap like all around your leg. So I'm going to definitely have to find a stock photo for those because how do you guys photograph shoes? It can be a little tricky. I put them on a white board that I just get from the dollar store. I put one board in the back and one flat to make almost like an L shape, and I stick my shoes in there and I put my lights on. And then I have like a completely white, clean background. That's a way that I do it. How do you guys do it? And sometimes it's hard, like with something like that has a strap. You can put a pool noodle in there. Sometimes I'll do something like they've done with this shoe, where I just wad up some nice tissue paper so that you can see the shape. Like if you need to be able to see the strap well, that's what I'll do. Whoa! Chunky sandals. These are so on trend. I'm filming this in August 2021. Look at this baby. That is a chunky wood platform sandal. And I love the contrast of this pink leather. Again, made in Spain, size 37. This is probably a much more expensive shoe than, let's say, you know, like maybe this flip-flop sort of thing. So
Flip-flop sort of thing, right.
So these are so cute. Again, all size 37. Uh-oh. Wow. Bummer, look. Maybe that's why it was returned. It's completely split. Okay, another pair of these like pointy toe. These remind me of like little elf shoes, but I'm telling you, people love them. So look at this. This is gorgeous how it is. It is a slide there, and it's got a braided leather detail on the front, but this is like a, what is it called? A dorsey? So this is called the Sun Silk Shoe Cow Soft Mini Glove Cow Black. I don't know what this like weird. Anyway, super cute. Oh wow, look at the bottoms of these. So they're new, but the bottom is almost like rubber. It's like a rubber non-slide, non-slip bottom. These feel, the leather on these, super buttery soft leather. So that's good. Alrighty. These are the pair that I got. The one time I got these in a Thredup rescue box. This is the pair I got. This is a very unique green color though. And they have a heavy, like cork bottom, made in India, size 37. Oh, I wish I was a size 37. Okay, these are, this last two pairs are in the box. So, oh wow, this is the same as the black pair, but they are a beautiful yellow. That is very unique. The leather on these feels incredible. Sun Silk Shoe. Oh, look at this. The bottom, that's just the way they come. They have like a gummy, sticky bottom. That's a really pretty shoe. Does it say on here anywhere on the box, like what they retailed for? Nope, the Nova Flat in yellow lemonade. Ooh, this one says size 40. Size 40 is larger, so that's good. I think that's like a 10 or 11. Alrighty. Ta-da, last box. Nova Flat in a 40. Oh, it's the same one. Gorgeous. So this is like a red wine color. So I got a few similar styles, so that will make doing my research and finding stock photos much easier. I think that's a pretty amazing box, friends. A lot of variety, gorgeous shoes. I think I'm going to make a good deal of money on this box. I love Free People. I love having these unique new with tags items that can bring customers to my store. Free People sells so great for me on both eBay and Poshmark, but mostly on Poshmark. So let me know in the comments what you think of this box. Go check out Jomar. They've got so much to choose from, whether you're a vintage seller, if you want pre-owned or new, if you want kids, men's, they do accessories. They just have a ton. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. I went to Zumba this morning. Bye. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye. All right. Let me get the camera in the right spot. Friends, let me get it all set up so that we're looking good. Is that a good enough spot? I feel weird. I feel like I'm not talking at the camera. I feel like it's like at a weird angle. Ooh, 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 ooh. Woohoo. It's all gonna fall. Oh, come on, I gotta pull out those hot pink shoes. Ooh, ooh, you guys. I think my head's cut off, but no one cares. I wish there was a beautiful way for me to like show you what these look like on. And I have to check comps. If I have the extra time to check comps and pop them on the screen for you, I will. If not, you can just do it yourself. I feel like weird stuff's happening. No, wait, the other one's like that too. They're both like that. That can't be part of the design, right? I don't understand this. Maybe it is. D-O-R-S-A-Y, where it's like, yeah, no, I don't know how to describe that. It's just, you just have to take my word for it. Hey friends, it's Quenby, and I can tell that I'm looking down, and that gives you like a double chin in the camera. There's my bike shorts. You don't want to film looking down because it's just like really not flattering. You want to be like right on. I don't know. I'm making this stuff up. I'm very excited. I better get some water though. Lovely, lovely.